So we have a little visitor here today. I think it's a little mouse. There he is. Yeah. And you see what he's doing is, oh hang on, there's two of them. There's two of them there. He's eating the bag of fish food. Now I guess I really shouldn't have left it there, but there's two of them now running around. They don't seem to be particularly bothered by me at all. There's another one. Oh, hang on. There's three of them. There's at least three mice running around. There's a large one and two small ones. Here's the biggest one back again. Yeah, he's eating the fish food. And he's looking bright at me. And he's off. And there's a small one into the bag of fish food. Now, I know what mice are like because I've had them in my shed at home. And they won't stop till absolutely everything is eaten in that bag. Now, it's my own fault, I guess, for leaving food there. Obviously, because it's getting cold as well, they're starting to come indoors. Still, funny little shops. There's the small one, he's coming down. Eating away. Up again. So where's the big one gone? I mean, they must be hungry if they're coming in here. They really don't care. Well, I'm literally standing 3 feet away from them. Huh. It's very funny. My Medusa head is right there on the floor. There's a gargoyle there, and there's a mouse. Yeah, come on, mouse. Coming up again. 2, 3 of them. Now I'm going to move that food tomorrow. I don't really want them coming in and out of here. And I think they'll probably, I don't want them chewing up my molds. But for now, I'm not going to do anything. There's the little one again.